Welcome back to 3 Inquisitive Kids. In this video, I will be taking a look at problem 3. Find the remainder of 2 raised to the 2008 power plus 2008 raised to the second power, and then all of that divided by 7. So we have lots of big numbers here. And as you can see, it's definitely a problem that was given in the year 2008. I think you can see that. Anyway, here, a lot of times problems try to scare you with huge numbers. But really that's not going to work because big numbers just mean that there's a better chance for patterns. And patterns just make everything much easier. The only challenge is if you can find the pattern or not. So let's start with 2008 to the second power because that takes less calculations. Well, let's do 2008 divided by 7 itself. So it's a 4-digit dividend divided by a 1-digit divisor. So 20 divided by 7, we have 2, 68 and 48, 6 with a remainder of 4. Okay. So if we know that 2008 divided by 7 has a remainder of 4, then it should come to us that 2008 raised to the second power. Sorry, this is 6. Raised to the second power would just be 6 times 6, right? The product of the product remainder is the remainder of the product. So 2008 raised to the second power divided by 7 will have a remainder of 6 times 6, which is 36. And we keep subtracting 7s away until we have a number that is less than 7. So we have 29, 22, 15, and then, okay, so this will have a remainder of 1. Now let's look at 2 raised to the 2008th power divided by 7. And now this is when we really have to try to find the pattern because of how big this number is. So I'm going to make a table to help me find this pattern. On the top will be the dividend. Now here is going to be the remainder. So the dividend first will be 2, and then 2 raised to the second power, to the third power, to the fourth power, to the fifth power, and then of course to the sixth power. So we follow the same steps as before. So we'll have 2. 2 divided by 7 will have a remainder of 2. 4 divided by 7 will have a remainder of 4. 8 divided by 7 has a remainder of 1. 16 has a remainder of 2. And here, every single time you get to 1, you know that that is the end of the pattern. So it will just be 2, 4, 1 all over again. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. So it repeats in every 3 turns. So since it's 2008 times to 2008 times, we first need to divide 2008 by the number of turns it rotates, which is 3. So divide by 3. And then we have is that's equal to 669 with a remainder of 1. So if it has a remainder of 1, it means that we've had already 669 full rotations of these. And we stopped on the first term of the 670th rotation, which is number 2. So this would have a remainder of 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So our final answer is